How to make a puppy. Woof, woof. Turn the sheet around to form a square diamond shape. Bring corners A and B to the center line. Fold along the dotted lines for the first and second folds one by one and press flat. Now fold the right corner D inwards along the dotted line for the third fold and press flat like this. Now give a zigzag fold along the two dotted lines for the fourth fold and press flat. Now give a zigzag fold again but in a reverse manner along the two dotted lines for the fifth fold and press flat. While fold the left corner C along a dotted line for the sixth fold and press flat. For making the tail, bring the upper corner D in the direction of the arrow along the dotted line for the seventh fold and press flat. Folding the entire model from the center along the dotted line for the eighth fold, join top corner E to the bottom corner F and press flat. Our puppy is almost ready. Hold as shown above, opening the both left flaps from the center in the direction of the arrows. Fold along the dotted lines for the ninth folds on both sides. Give an outside fold and press flat. Position the head as you like, as you can adjust the head by lowering or raising it as you please. After this, we are going to press the neck. Now, your puppy is ready! Woof woof! Make its eyes and nose. Happy puppy! Please subscribe, share and like.